Hi, good day. This is Roxanne from the Power Lead System. Today, I want to talk about branding and the importance of branding. Now, there are many marketers out there promoting the same business, and the only difference we see in those affiliate links is at the end of each, there's our username, and everyone can recognize what you are promoting when you just use those affiliate links. So it's important for your success to brand yourself. Your brand is something that is unique to you. And the benefits of branding yourself, that is, and branding is to have your own unique domain name. For instance, if your name is John Paul, you can have a domain as workwithjohnpaul.com or workonlinewithjohnpaul.com. You can put John hyphen Paul. But what you do is identifying who you are and making yourself stand out. And this is very important to your business. In purchasing a domain name. Now with the police system, if you already have a domain name, you can transfer it into the police system. Or you can buy a domain name in the police system. Another benefit of having your own domain name is that, let's say you suppose you change, you no longer involved in that particular business anymore. You now can just redirect your link to your new opportunity because you might have a body of work out there with your blogs and your YouTube videos, and instead of having to go and look for all those work and changing the web address, the new web address. All you have to do is redirect your domain name and that will solve the problem. But today what we really want to look at, I want to show you how the police system allows you to create unlimited amount of subdomains from your one domain in order to promote your business. You can have, and the police system hosts all of these subdomain names. And you can have, see, subdomain is that web address. Now, what you can have now is different subdomains representing the different marketing campaigns you have for one product, or it can be every subdomain represents a different business that you are involved in. Now, let's go into my back office. So let me show you how the police system does it with just a click, a couple of clicks. Let's go in. Now here we are in the back office. You hover over websites and you come down here to domain subdomains and you choose manage your domain, manage your subdomain. Now this here is an instructional video that will show you exactly how to create that subdomain. But I'm going to walk through it and give you an example of what it is, how it is done. Just hold on, let me just take this out. Okay. Now, your subdomain, the name that you put here replaces the www in your domain name. So let's do an example. Let's say we have tests. Let's put tests. Now, in creating this subdomain, let's say that you're promoting, you have different advertising campaigns for one product. Let's say you have one running on Facebook. You can put an F in front here, and this will represent your Facebook campaign. Or you can put a T in front here. This can represent your Twitter campaign. And there's one way how you can use different subdomain with this one domain name. This is your domain name. And you can have several domain names too. I only have one. But you can have several, and the system will have all here. So you can also choose which domain name, which domain that you're creating the subdomain with. So after you've done that, you just have to click create, and the system creates the subdomain. Now this here will show you that you're going to attach a web page or a capture page, but we're not going into that today. So let's go back to domain. Let's go back here, and let me just explain to you something here. Here. Yes. Okay. So now you see your domain is created. Okay. When this subdomain is created, you can edit it. If in the future you want to change this, you can edit it. You can take off this and put whatever you want to put in front here. And then on the other thing is to assign to it a capture page. Now you can use a capture page that's in the system. You can use one that you already created, and that's what I mean by web page. It's a capture page that you created, or you can go ahead and create a new one for that subdomain that you created. So, and as I said before, the system hosts all. You can create unlimited amount of these subdomains, and the police system hosts all of them. And the other thing about it is that the ad tracker. If you have several ad campaigns running, the ad tracker now will track the campaigns based on those subdomains that you assign to it, and it will tell you which campaign is getting the most leads, which campaign the leads are converting more, and as a business person now you will know where to focus, where your leads are coming from, where your conversions are coming from, and able to monitor to know what adjustments you need to make. So I just want you to understand that and to recap so that you know that it is important that we brand ourselves so that we can stand out from the crowd. Our prospects can know who we are, and they won't be confused with all those long affiliate links that we have with our little names stick, our names at the end. When they see your name John Paul, they will know, but okay, that is the person that, and I'm signing up with. That is my sponsor. So that's all for now, and I hope that this video was informative to you. And go ahead and get a domain name. Let yourself stand out. It's important to your business. And with the Power Lead system, there's a free 7-day trial. You can take advantage of it, see how it works for you, and if you like it, you can just sign up with it. This is Roxanne, your window to opportunity. Change your outlook, change your life. Bye for now.